Imagine a giant rock from space hurtling towards Earth. A single asteroid could wipe out cities, or even entire civilizations. But this isn't just science fiction, it's real. Today, we're going to explore 5 asteroids that could potentially destroy Earth. Meet 1950 DA, a rock that's almost a kilometer wide and spinning dangerously fast. While it's not an immediate threat, it's on NASA's radar. It has a tiny chance of hitting Earth in 2880. Sounds far away, but that's just the way space works. Don't take your eyes off this one. Next up, Apophis, an asteroid that's made headlines for its potential to cause disaster. At 370 meters wide, it's big enough to cause a massive impact. In 2029, Apophis will pass so close to Earth, it'll come closer than some satellites. But don't panic, it's not going to hit. Yet. Bennu is another giant in space. About half the size of the Empire State Building, this asteroid is a threat to watch. NASA is closely tracking it because in 2182, there's a 1 in 2,700 chance it could impact Earth. Imagine the explosion, 22 atomic bombs worth of energy. That's no small thing. Then there's Totatus, a bizarrely shaped asteroid that's unpredictable in its path. It's a massive 2.5 kilometers wide and passes close to Earth every few years. Its erratic motion could bring it dangerously closer to us. One wrong turn in its orbit, and everything changes. And the most dangerous asteroid? It's the one we haven't even discovered yet. There are thousands of near-Earth objects that we still haven't identified. One of them could be out there, heading for us right now. And we might not know about it until it's too late. Asteroids may sound like something out of a movie, but they've impacted Earth before. Remember the dinosaurs? So, what happens if an asteroid hits us again? Find out in my next video. Make sure to subscribe and stay curious about the universe.